It's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I've got this domino mold, and it's actually just one I got off of Temu. Um, it's a little warped on one edge, so I have um, glued it down with some hot glue just because hot glue doesn't stick to silicone. I've just wrapped it around the top a little bit to get it to stick. I've got 4 ounces of the craft resin that I've already mixed up, because I do know this mold takes 8 ounces. So I want to do 4 ounces of clear for the base layer. So I'm just going to show you a couple of these, and then I'm going to do the rest off camera, but then I'll be back to do the next step. Okay, this base layer is basically gonna just be deep enough to cover up the little pips. That's what you call those. Okay, and basically there's really no way to do this where it's not messy, or at least you know, the drips will stay in the mold, but there's no way to prevent that really. I mean, you can just pour your resin, but this craft resin is a little viscous for that. It's a little too thick. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to finish this off camera, and then I'll be back for the next step. Now I've got these, they're actually Polymer Clay slices. Fruit shapes. And I'm going to do, okay, there's lemons, strawberries, apples, dragon fruit, watermelon, grapes, and kiwis. I'm going to do 4 of each. Hopefully. Yeah. Maybe easier said than done. Once again, I'm just going to do a couple on camera, and then I'm going to do the rest off camera. Here's where we stand so far. Lemons, strawberries, apples, dragon fruit, watermelon, kiwi, and either raspberries or grapes. I'm not sure which they are. Okay, I've mixed up 4 more ounces. This is black. It's got a little bit of holographic chunky black glitter. I'm not sure how much of that is going to show up, but once again, I'm just going to fill up a couple of these on camera, and then I'll do the rest of them off camera. And I'm sorry if y'all can hear that. My fan is making terrible racket. And for some reason, I can't make it quit unless I turn the fan off. Sorry about that, everybody. My battery died again. So, once again, I'm just gonna demold a couple of these. Just to show you what they look like. so cute. I love them. Now I just have to figure out what color to do the pips. So cute. I love the apples. I don't know why, but I love the apples. Oh my gosh. And oh, I love them. I love them all. Oh, so cute. I'm sorry I don't say that lightly, y'all. Y'all know I don't normally just say something's cute. Oh my goodness. Love them. Okay, I'll come back when they're all demolded. And possibly with a couple of the pips done. Oh! Okay, here they are. What do you think? Really turned out cute. I love that you can see the glitter. I hope y'all can see that on camera. The layers of the fruit slices. Oh, they really turned out cute. Now, some of the pips still have a couple of spots that need to be touched up. Let's see, one of the apple slices. I don't know why those apple slices really turned out cute. Watermelons. Dragon fruit. Kiwis. And the grapes / raspberries. I don't know which they are, but at first I thought grapes, and then I thought, well, maybe they're raspberries. Anyway, they turned out so cute. I'm going to make several more sets of these, I'm sure. Maybe not the fruit slices, but I've got other slices as well that would also make really cute dominoes. So, I want to thank y'all all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that hot button. Bye for now.